Alright guys, that last bolt on the alternator, oh my god, what a pain in the butt. So what I used was this with a mini extension, and this is a 13. And even putting it in this thing, this bolt right here, even putting it in, it doesn't want to go in easy. But anyway, 2 bolts secures it really good. The third bolt, I got about 3/4 of the way in. I'm not gonna worry about it, just in case, you know, this alternator needs to be changed again. I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna make it easier for myself. I got these 2 bolts tying up real good. That third bolt is 3/4 of the way in, and I'm actually fighting it to get it in, like I was fighting it to get out. I'm gonna see if I can actually ratchet it some more. If not a big deal. I'm gonna definitely maybe just leave that. It's not even loose, man. It's kind of a little bit on the tight end for me to ratchet it in. It's just a pain in the butt.